I'm Huraiz the manager of SkyDive Dubai jet ski racing team. We're here in Doncaster, UK, the last round of the European Championship 2013.
Hello, I'm Almur. We're here in England for European Championship in Doncaster. It was a great event. In Moto 1 I finished there, and in Moto 2 I whole shot, and then I get passed by Dirty Line, and then I second at the end. We work hard for technical stuff, and I'm happy to have the fastest jet ski in the race. Okay?
I am SkyDive Dubai team. We are here in Doncaster for the final round of the European Championship. First of all, in Moto 1, which is the first race, which was yesterday, I got third in the race, and it was a bit windy. Followed by today, I got second in the second round, and so far everything is going as planned. I'm happy for the second moto because I was leading most of the race, and I catch the whole shot as well. And Jean-Baptiste Petit passed me during the last lap, and he's one of the best pilots, so I'm really proud to race with John. Now, after the second race finished, me and Jean-Baptiste Petit are equal in the points, and the last round will be the round which decides the champion of this European Championship.
We had an interesting race so far. Our riders performing really well. Khalifa Bissalah took the whole shot in the second moto and finished second. He's still got a great chance of winning the European Championship. He's got tie points with Jean-Paul Petit, world champion from France. We still got a great chance still with one more tour to go, and hopefully we'll come back to the UAE with a trophy. We've got Almur as well, who is standing third position so far in the event this weekend, where he took the whole shot in the second moto, maintained his position halfway through, and then got passed by the world champion Dardilan from France. which still tells us that we have more work to do. But I think both of our riders got a promising future with their limited years of experience, and I think the years to come with a bit more experience, they will definitely hunt world titles. As you know, we do the European Championship not only for the title, but we normally do it as a preparation for the World Finals, which takes place in October every year in the United States. This is the best training we can ask for our riders to be prepared for the event and to get experience with really tough race conditions and tough riders to compete against. So we do it for various reasons, and I think we are meeting our objectives so far, and hopefully we will get good results in the World Finals as a result of the hard work we've done this summer.